Alright, so I want to talk about how you can take multiple items and put them into a single Photoshop document. So you're going to create projects in this class, and in this class you're going to have to put them all into one single document. Even if you have 3 examples, they need to be in one single document. So we're going to use this document right here as an example. I want you to look at my layers right now. I've got a few different things going on, right? In this, I have some layers that are visible, some layers that aren't. I can bring them back up and I can see which one's which. We're going to do the same thing, we're just going to do them with groups. So let's say that all of this work right here is your first promo poster. Everything's good, you've got all the layers I need, all the layer masks, all the adjustment layers, etc. To group all of these together, you're going to click on the top layer, hold shift, click on the bottom one, or you can hold command, click on each one down the way, or you can just sit there and hold shift and click on each one down. That's fine. I don't care. Just select all the layers. With them all selected, there's this little folder icon at the bottom of the layers. It says create a new group, or you can hit Command G to group as well. Now when you group inside of this, you're going to need to name what that group is. So if that's Promo 1, name it Promo 1. You're going to need to color that folder. Control click on that group, you'll see colors down here at the bottom. If you've got it selected like this, you may have to hit twice, and you can pick the color you want it to be. This allows me to quickly see that every file in here that is blue belongs to Promo 1. It also allows me to quickly hit the eyeball on Promo 1 and pull up Promo 2 or Promo 3, right? So if you've got all of your other files make up Promo 2, hit Command G on it. Name that Promo 2. Color it a different color, red, and there's your second promo. So you got 1 and 2. Now, while you're working on them, let's say you just finished 1 and you're about to work on number 2. While you're working on number 1 right here, I want you to lock it and turn the eyeball off of it. That'll make sure you don't make any mistakes to promo number 1. Now you can work inside of promo number 2. Say you finished promo number 2. Lock it, hit the eyeball on it. This gives you a blank document right here in which you can drag your images into Photoshop, open them up inside of this document, and drag them right over and start making new layers. This is how you create 3 different promo posters on one single document. So that's what I'm looking for you to do. Before you turn it in, make sure they're all on the same document. If you send in 3 different documents to a project, I'm not going to open them, I'm not going to grade them, you're going to get a bad grade. All right, good luck.